Now, the Apple Watch, arguably the best improvement that Apple had released in the Apple event. In this episode of the JK Tech Show, we're going to be discussing that. Hey, it's JK. Welcome to the JK Tech Show. In this episode, I'm going to be discussing everything regarding the Apple Watch Series 4 that has just been announced in the September 2018 event and has been released yesterday. And the clips that you are just about to see have come from episode 3 of the JK Tech News podcast, the podcast that are released once every single weekend, every single week. Link in the description to see the full episode and the cards and things like that. Let's get into it. So the Apple Watch Series 4 has the largest watch display ever, while it still keeps a pretty small form factor, because they just reduced bezel size. And to be more specific, the display is 30% bigger than the previous model. They've improved the power efficiency of the Apple Watch, so you can pretty much go through an entire day with just one charge. Their estimate was around 18 hours of battery life, so it sounds pretty good. Now, along with releasing this brand new Apple Watch, they released a bunch of new Apple Watch faces, which are pretty cool. Now, the digital crown is that little knob on the edge of the Apple Watch. It now has haptic feedback, so you can feel like a click every time you move it. I like that, it's just satisfying for me. And it doesn't feel like an infinite circle just looping. And now you can take an ECG by just touching your finger onto that crown. This is not going to be like a doctor destroyer, where you don't need doctors anymore. But yeah, we're on the route to that. No more doctors because of the Apple Watch. That's a bit of over-exaggeration, but anyway, let's continue. They improved the optical heart sensor, which means everything that they do is going to be much more accurate. You're going to get steps much more accurately, your calories burned, and all that kind of stuff is going to be much more accurate because they improved the optical heart sensor. Now, what is really cool about this is the speaker is 50% louder. That is a major jump. And with the original Apple Watch, the speakers were just too quiet. It really weren't useful. Now, Apple didn't just release the normal Series 4 Apple Watch. You know Apple, they are money-making monsters. So they released a Series 4 Nike edition, which we know, they pretty much release it with all of them. But the really monstrous money-making one is the Hermes. That is extremely expensive. You know the designer brand Hermes. So yeah, they partnered with them to make a $1,399 Apple Watch. Now, I really didn't see that many differences with it. It was the leather strap and the second non-leather strap that they include. But maybe they have some features. I did look on their website and it was pretty much just the strap that I could find. Yeah, that pretty much gave me enough time to finish my coffee. Hopefully you now have an understanding on what the Apple Watch Series 4 is, the improvements that it has, and I want to say this. If you have a Series 2, or a Series 1, or a Series just an Apple Watch, then you should upgrade. If you have a Series 3, then I'd say no, because it's pretty recent. I have the original Apple Watch. No longer works. So if I can get an Apple Watch pretty soon, then I would. Series 4 looks pretty amazing. I want you to comment down below if you think that you're going to get the Apple Watch Series 4. Now, I'm at AKJKYT on all social medias. I'm going to go check out IGTV. I try and post daily over there. Smash the like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to see more content from me every single day. Turn on notifications so you're notified. Currently 2 a.m. GMT. It will move to 6 a.m. GMT. It's a bunch of jazz because I'm moving. Anyways, hopefully I'll see you again tomorrow morning, because here at AKJK, the grind is daily.